A well-planned geometric layout can make a promotional graphic look modern while keeping the message easy to follow. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Start with a clean background, then open the Elements panel and choose geometric shapes such as circles, rectangles, triangles, and polygons. Use the larger shapes to divide the canvas into clear sections, then add smaller shapes around the headline and promotional details. Upload your product image and place it in the strongest visual area so it immediately attracts attention. Add a bold promotional headline, a short offer message, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean, readable fonts. Choose 2 or 3 colors